Hey everyone, Lisa here. Hey, lots of questions on our Facebook page about our QVC2 big deal. Have you heard about it? It's our set of 4 nesting bakers, and we're not presenting this on QVC2 until Sunday, but it's available for purchase right now. So we wanted to give you a close-up detail, answer lots of questions that you've been having. So it's a set of 4 nested bakers. Here is the 3-quart right here. I am showing you that holiday pattern because you wanted to see it up close. Which scene is in each baker. So in the 3-quart, there's that great tree with the sleigh. Hey, Matthew. I know you guys all wanted to see this. Hey, Maxine. Hey, Cheryl. Thanks for joining in. So let me get through this and then I'll answer your questions. So in the largest one, the 3-quart right here in the holiday, there is the Christmas tree with the sleigh and that great, you love that mailbox scene right there. All of those beautiful hand painting, hand applied accents. Notice the helper handles on the side and look at that rope border right there. Gorgeous on the old world. Then on the 2-quart, there's one of your favorites. It's Santa by the fireplace with all the whimsy characters. Look at the snowman. There's the penguin, the gingerbread. Hi, Tina. Hi, Jenny. Hi, Sylvia. Then when we get to the 1-quart, it is Santa with his sleigh. Now, this color option is very limited. It's called Old World Holiday. So you can pop on now to QVC.com and get it at an amazing value. And then the last one, the 1/2-quart, look at that beautiful sleigh, just stacked with Old World and floral lace presents. Look how great that is. Now, every single one is going to come with a plastic snap-on storage cover. And yes, we have floral lace festive, and we have Festifetti. I just didn't have it here at the office, but look how great that is. And there you see really everything that you're getting. You're getting the 3-quart, the 2-quart, the 1-quart, and the 1/2-quart. Each one has a snap-on storage cover, but look how they all nest down in just the footprint of the 3-quart baker. A couple of other things. Look at the sizes here. Tara specifically designed these so they will fit in your microwave, in your toaster oven. The smaller ones will fit in your Instapot, so they're just perfect. And let me give you some measurements because you've been asking. So in that great 3-quart baker right there, that's going to be 13 inches long by 8 inches wide. In the 2-quart right here, that's going to be 12 inches by 7 inches. In the 1-quart up here at the top, that's going to be 9 inches by 6 inches. And in the 1/2-quart, it's going to be 7 inches by 4 inches. So I'm glad you're getting this sneak peek because this is almost gone in these seasonal colors. We have it in the holiday. That's the Old World seasonal. Then we have it in the floral lace festive. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to get in really closely so that you can see the beautiful detail of the snowflake pattern. I don't know if you're hosting the holidays, but this will be absolutely amazing. We also have Festifetti, and Festifetti will be this pattern right here on the outside and the inside of the dish. So get yours now before it goes live on air Sunday evening. We know how much you're loving this. We can't wait to see you. By the way, we have an hour show at 7 a.m. on QVC on the main channel on Sunday morning. So please join in. Thank you all for checking this out, Melissa and Kathy, and we will see you all very soon on QVC.